I wanted to share today 3 things that I love about having twins. So if they are the same or they're different, go ahead and let me know in the comments of the video. One thing that I love about having twins is that they teach you priorities. So before twins, my wife and I, we had 2 singleton boys. And so the child care for them when they were infants oftentimes fell to my wife. And when we had twins, of course, it was all hands on deck. Both of us had to be involved all the time, day and night. And so having twins helps you focus your priorities on what's truly important on your children and on your family. And it starts to put in perspective some of the things that maybe you've done before twins that maybe aren't as important as you thought they were. So maybe some hobbies fall by the wayside, maybe some friendships, some activities, or even getting out of the house, right? Regardless, the priorities that you have as a parent are changing as your twins arrive and as they get older. So one thing that having twins has taught me and that I love about twins is that they teach you priorities, because if one of your twins isn't needing attention, the other one surely is. The second thing that I love about having twins is that they are an adventure. Going out with twins when they're infants, getting them strapped into their stroller and their car seat, making sure you have all the gear to go where you need to go and get there on time in itself is an adventure, is a huge feat. Let alone the activities that happen inside your house. Feeding twins simultaneously, changing diapers, getting both twins to calm down and go to sleep for nap time or for bedtime, or taking care of them in the middle of the night. All of these are adventures that your singleton parent friends have no clue about this adventure that you're on. But the truth is, having twins is amazing, right? And one of the things to love about that is the adventure that the twins bring in your family. You're doing things that you never thought was possible, that you never imagined, and that many of your friends don't even have a clue that you're doing. But you're doing it because you've got twins and you're awesome, right? And if it's hard today, it gets a little bit easier tomorrow, and you're going to plow through those difficulties. Twins are an adventure, and that's something to love because it's an experience that not many people have, but you have it, right? And it's a great thing. Now, the third thing that I love about having twins is that there's 2 of them, and that offers you a chance to compare them to each other and see the differences in them. In our case, we have identical twin girls, and so on the outside, they look very similar. Of course, to us now, we can tell them apart easily. Other people still confuse them. But even though they're identical, they have such distinct and totally different personalities and mannerisms of how they hold themselves, how they walk, how they talk, how they express themselves. All those things are different. And that is such an amazing, unique aspect of parenting twins, is that you get to see your 2 children and see what's similar, what's different. Oftentimes they act like siblings, and other times they act like they're the same thing, and other times they're totally opposite of each other. And it's really fun to watch how those differences manifest themselves in the daily activities as they interact with each other and as they interact with you. Again, the 3 things that I love about twins, and I love to hear your thoughts as well in the comments. What do you love about having twins? Go ahead and type those below the video. I love that it teaches you priorities, that it's an adventure every single day, and that you get to see the great similarities and differences between your twins as they go through similar milestones through the months as they get older and older. If you have any questions about twins, go ahead and type them in the box on the video. I'd be happy to answer them, or you can shoot me an email, joe@dadsguidetotwins.com. Hope you have a great day. See ya.